Hey Ashley, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here just so that we can go over your online presence. The first thing that I see here is that whoever created this website did a really good job with their call to actions here. So that just gets more people clicking and converting to customers for you. Something that I do notice scrolling through here is that there's not enough content. And the reason we want more content is because Google has crawlers and they crawl 24/7. And they are going through each website's content and they're looking inside that content for what's called keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage specifically just to be considered an authority with Google. And then we want to sprinkle those keywords throughout this content here. And an example of a keyword is this right here, Foundation Repair OKC. That's a really good keyword to have. The first thing that we see when we search that are these ads. I see you all have an ad here. If we scroll down to this map pack section, it's really awesome that you guys are in the top 3 here. 30 to 40% of business goes in this section here, and a lot of people don't even click to see the more businesses, so this is really good that you guys are here. You definitely want to stay here. If we scroll down, the rest of the business will come down here to this organic section. We're going to skip this top 10 Angie list since they're not a business. And the first business in the organic section is Powerlift Foundation Repair.com. For this keyword, they're in the first in the organic section. I see you all down at the bottom of the page, which means you all are missing out on a lot of people are going to stay up here clicking. So a lot of these leads are going to go here. So let's take a look at the Powerlift Foundation Repair website. So when we look at their website, they also have some call to actions. But if you scroll through here, they actually have less content than you. So let's see, why are they ranking higher? So I plugged in powerliftfoundationrepair.com into Ahrefs here. And the first thing that we see here are UR and DR. And these are ratings given from Google for power or authority and trust. And so what goes into those ratings are backlinks, which come from referring domains, and what a backlink is a backlink is any other website that is linking to your own website. So it's like a shout out, and Google's a big popularity contest, so you want to have quality backlinks and referring domains. So let's compare this UR of 33 and DR 26 to yours. So your website, I have it here plugged into Ahrefs, is 31 and 29. So it is a little bit lower than the Powerlift Foundation. The backlinks that you have are 1.14K coming from 362 domains. And so you do have more domains here, less backlinks. The thing is here, it comes back to quality, is just getting some good quality backlinks, not spammy backlinks linking to your website here. And you have 2.7 organic keywords, and then Powerlift Foundation has 681 keywords. So they have less organic keywords, but they are still ranking higher and they are getting traffic from being higher up on the page. So here are some national keywords here. We want to get buyer intent keywords. So an example would be this Foundation Repair OKC. 450 people are searching a month, and they're on the first page, and so they're higher up there. So they're getting more people from this amount that will be clicking on their website. Foundation Repair Oklahoma City, 450 people a month. If you service Tulsa, Foundation Repair Tulsa, 400 searches a month. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350 a month. Oklahoma City Foundation Repair, 450 people a month. Foundation Repair Oklahoma, 60. Foundation Repair Oklahoma, 150. And so the list just goes on. And so we can do the same exact thing with you all, is just adding these keywords onto your website in all the cities that you're wanting to target. And if we could get the search volume to you, you would have a lot more people converting into your customers. And these tips you can take yourself and start implementing yourself. Or if you'd like to reach out to me, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.